Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a franchise with Dunkin, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure a franchise with Dunkin, start by researching the brand's history and values. Familiarize yourself with Dunkin's menu and business model. Visit the official Dunkin franchising website to gather essential information. Review the franchising requirements and application process detailed on the website. Prepare your financial documents to demonstrate your capability to invest. Determine the total investment required for a Dunkin franchise, including franchise fees and setup costs. Reach out to Dunkin's franchise development team for initial inquiries. Complete the online application form provided on the website. Be ready for a phone interview to discuss your interest and qualifications. If selected, you will receive a franchise disclosure document, also known as an FDD. Review the FDD thoroughly to understand all terms and obligations. Engage a franchise attorney for legal advice regarding the FDD and franchise agreement. Attend a discovery day at a Dunkin location to learn more about the operations. Prepare questions you may have about the business during this visit. Afterwards, consider your decision carefully before proceeding. If you choose to move forward, sign the franchise agreement. Pay the required franchise fee as outlined in your agreement. Begin training provided by Dunkin, which is essential for new franchisees. Secure a location that meets Dunkin's guidelines for placement. Work with the Dunkin real estate team to finalize your location. Once the site is approved, start the build-out process according to Dunkin's specifications. Schedule a grand opening date once everything is set and prepared. Receive ongoing support from Dunkin as you start operating your franchise. Continue to follow Dunkin's operational guidelines to ensure success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.